Financial markets boosting by Asian central banks. Most Asian stocks markets rose slightly on Tuesday, led by China after PBOC rate cut. Meanwhile, in Australia also stocks markets increased following widely expected RBA interest rate cut. In Australia, and after recently cooling inflation, policymakers in Reserve Bank of Australia decided to cut the rates by 25 basis points to 3.85%. On the other hand, in China, People's Bank of China's interest rate cut signaling that Beijing is open to more stimulus in order to boost the economy and encourage the consumer spending. That's why People's Bank of China cut the interest rate for 1-year loan prime rate to 3% and 5 years loan prime rate to 3.50%, both by 10 basis point rate cut.